Okay, so how to find, I'm hoping that you watched the above video, and we'll evaluate the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix from your notes. We are going to evaluate it, find the determinant of this matrix using let's do column number 1. So I'm going to be using column 1, these numbers here. So looking at remembering this, so it's positive, negative, positive. I always like to say same, always, same, opposite, same, opposite, same, opposite, same, opposite, same. So the number in this spot is the same. So it's going to be 2, and then I take the cross off the row and column with that, and I'm left with 2, 4, 5, 6. Next thing I do is I look at, we decided column number 1. So then I'm going to look at 0 and its opposite. So I'm going to put minus 0. Then I cross off the row and column with the 0, and what's left over is 3, negative 1, 5, 6. Then looking at the last number on here is 2, and that is in the same spot. So I put plus negative 2, and I cross out the row and column with negative 2, and it's 3, negative 1, 2, 4. Then you work out each of those determinants. So 2 times 6 is 12, minus 4 times 5, 20, minus 0 times 18, minus negative 5, minus the diagonal going up, and then plus negative 2, I'm just going to make that minus 2, times diagonal going down is 12, minus diagonal going up, negative 2. Finish this out, so this is 2 times 12 minus 20 is negative 8, minus 0 times anything is still 0. So 0 times 23, we'll just write it down. Minus 2 times 12 minus negative 2 is 14. So finish this. It's going to be negative 16 minus 0 minus 28. So final answer ends up being negative 44. And we'll get that same answer no matter which column or row that we would have chosen. So let's check that with the calculator. So in the calculator, in matrix, we're going to do second matrix. Bring your matrix key up. We're going to go over to edit. This time on A is now a 3 by 3. And my numbers are, let me erase what's there, I can't see it. 2, 3, oops, go over here, sorry. Back to this, just start over here. So 2, 3, and negative 1. 0, 2, 4. Then negative 2, 5, and 6. Get out of this by hitting second mode. And then to find that determinant, we do second matrix. Go over to math. Oops, I hit the arrow over. Determinant is right here, so hit enter. Then I want the determinant of A. Enter on the A with the names, and then enter. And negative 44. Is that the same thing we came up with? Yes, it is. All right, then one more of these. Let's look at the other one. It says to expand by row 2. So row 2, remember the picture here. So this is same, opposite, same. So then the opposite, same, opposite, and same, opposite, same. So I'm interested in that column. Oh, nope, I'm lying about that. Row 2, so this this row here. So opposite of the -2, I'm going to start with a +2. Cross off the row and column with that number. Again, I did the opposite of what's in that spot. So then I'm left with 8, 7, -3, -5. So that's the first number in that row. The next number in that row is 3, and it's in the same spot. So we do +3. Cross off the row and the column with the 3. And what remains is 4, 7, 5, -5. And then the last number is in the opposite. So 10, which is +10, now becomes a -10. And I cross off the row and the column with the 10. Once I do that, I'm left with 4, 8, 5, -3. I go back to this one, cross off the 3. So that was a 4, 7, 5, -5. And then you just evaluate each of those determinants. So same on the 2, or I'm sorry, opposite on the 2, so +2. Same on the 3, opposite on the 10 for row 2. So this is 2 times diagonal going down is -40 minus diagonal going up, -21, plus 3 times -20 minus 35. Diagonal going down minus diagonal going up, minus 10 times -12 minus 40. So finish that, so you get 2 times -40 minus -21 would be -21. Now how about -19? Plus 3 times -55 minus 10 times -52. On the test, I'll need to see this work, but you can use so follow all the work and then make sure you show me how to check it. You can check it on the calculator. So -38 minus 55 times 3. My calculator. So 55 times 3. So 165. And then plus 520. Combine like terms, which are only like terms, so we get a calculator again. I don't have one in front of me. So -38 plus -165 plus 520. Enter. So it looks like 317. And that's your answer. And you can check it using the graphing calculator, put in that determinant, see if it verifies.